I've worn extensions for years. Don't even try to tell me that they're good until you've washed them. Most extensions start to frizz after you wash them, but not these. They're still silky, smooth, and no weird texture. Let me show you how I like to install them. I like to start from bottom to top, so I'm going to cleanly section my hair and clip all of this up and out of our way. Our 2 clip hair extensions and just clip them right against that part. And now that those are anchored in, we're going to move up just an inch, and we're going to actually go in with one of our biggest clip-ins that we have, because we're going to bring it all the way around town. That's right, we're bringing out the big guns, the 4-clip extension. I am absolutely obsessed with the thickness of this thing. It's really going to add a lot, and we're just going to clip her in. And boom, she's anchored. She's not going anywhere. This band, you are not going to be slipping. You guys, no one's going to catch you. Look at how amazing that is. It's quite literally invisible. Look, I just took a few little hairs. Gone. Completely gone. This I might be a little crazy, but we're going to go in with 2 of our 3 clips, and we're going to take the 3 clip and put it inside of our hair, and then we're going to wrap it around. It's almost going to look like curtains, just to really give us a lot of fullness in our face. Oh, look at how... Oh my God. Now we're going to repeat on the other side, going in closer to the face to really fill out that hairline. And then we're going to just be clipping them in. As soon as we let our hair down, it quite literally disappears. Now for our front pieces, I like to use the 2 clips, and I just really enjoy going in and taking a slice out of the top of my hair, and we are going to take our 2-clip extension and put it right next to our face. Really get it close, because these are so invisible, you're not going to see them, and I really, yeah. Same side, rinse, repeat, all of the good things, and with another 2-clip. Boop. And just place her right next to our part. Make sure that your part goes far enough back. And then whoop-how. Also just popping this one like literally right next to my part just because I'm feeling a little frisky. OMG, are we actually... Whoa! I'm throwing hair because I'm getting so excited. You guys, tell me you have ever seen an extension that blends this good. Are we actually joking right now? Let's go ahead and just start styling her up. Oh my gosh, and she takes heat like a dream. You guys, I am so obsessed with these. I'm going to be wearing these literally all summer long. You guys thought that with me taking my extensions out, I was going to have short hair. LOL. I just wanted to find us the best clip-in extensions possible, and I believe that my job here is done, babes, because look at how insanely beautiful these look. They are so natural. No one is going to catch you slipping, especially, like, look at this. Ready? Are you ready? Do you see a weft? I don't think so. I'm known for having my tracks out, and babes, Endearing Hair said, baby, you don't help yourself, so we're going to help you, and this is actually insanity right now. Like, are we actually joking? And number one thing, when you're a hair extension girly, it never looks good straight. The fact that it looks good and it's straightened right now, are we joking? This is ridiculous. I feel like I'm on like an episode of Punk'd. Like, there's no way a pair of clip-in extensions can be, okay, use the right side of the brush, can be this good, but they just are. Like, look at that. You can just take random slices out of my hair. Look, that's right on the weft. I could quite literally take my hair back, and you're not going to see anything. This is insane. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just solved all of our problems for Hot Girl Summer. Long hair summer. Hey babe, where are you? What are you doing? I am obsessed with this. You guys need to go check out Endearing Hair right now. I would never steer you wrong when it comes to hair extensions, because you guys know I'm a hair extension snob. So please go check them out, because this is actually incredible. I am so obsessed with how beautiful my hair turned out.